सीएमए फाउंडेशन का पेपर है जो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। ये 2024 में दिसंबर में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन पेपर है। पेपर 2 फिनेंशियल फंडामेंटल ऑफ फिनेंशियल एंड कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग। देखते हैं कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे 2024 के इस पेपर में। आई रिपीट, सीएमए फाउंडेशन का पेपर है। पहला क्वेश्चन था द डिटरमिनेंट्स ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस फॉर एन अकाउंटिंग पीरियड is based on the concept of ऑप्शंस है ऑब्जेक्टिविटी, मेटेरियलिटी, मैचिंग या फिर पीरियडिसिटी। इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, मैचिंग। मैचिंग कॉन्सेप्ट पर निर्भर है। द मैचिंग कॉन्सेप्ट स्टेट्स दैट एक्सपेंसेस शुड बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन द सेम पीरियड एज द रेवेन्यूज दे हेल्प जनरेट इंश्योरिंग एक्यूरेट प्रॉफिट डिटर्मिनेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अब लोग बात करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का। फिक्स्ड एसेट, अब लोग बात करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का। फिक्स्ड एसेट्स एंड करंट एसेट्स आर कैटेगराइज्ड एज पर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑप्शन है सेपरेट एंटिटी, गोइंग कंसर्न, कंसिस्टेंसी या टाइम पीरियड। इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, गोइंग कंसर्न। द गोइंग कंसर्न कॉन्सेप्ट एज्यूम्स business will continue indefinitely, allowing assets to be classified into fixed, long-term and current, short-term based on their useful life. Now we are moving to question number 3. What is question number 3? An expenditure is capital in nature when options are: first option, it is paid as interest on loan for the business. It increases the quantity of fixed assets along with the future benefits. Receiver of the amount is going to be treat it for the purchase of fixed asset. D option, none of the above. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, it increases the quantity of fixed assets along with the future benefits. Look, capital expenditure embraces the earning capacity or life of fixed assets, providing future economic benefits unlike revenue expenses. So, after question number 3, we are moving to question number 4. Life membership fees received by a club is a dash. Options are capital receipt, reserve or none of the above. Answer is capital receipt. Life membership fees are one-time payments for long-term benefits, treated as capital receipt rather than recurring revenue. Question number 5. Let us see what is question number 5. Preliminary expenses incurred before the commencement of business is considered. I repeat, preliminary expenses incurred before the commencement of business is considered as option revenue expenditure, capital expenditure, deferred revenue expenditure or none of the above. None of these. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा deferred revenue expenditure. Option number C is correct. Deferred revenue expenditure. Preliminary expenses benefits multiple years but are not capital assets. They are written off gradually, making them deferred revenue expenditure. Okay, so we are moving to the next question, question number 6. What is question number 6? The debt written off as bad if recovered subsequently are options: credited to bad debt recovered account, credited to trade receivables account, debtor account, debited to profit and loss account or none of the above. Answer is A, credited to bad debt recovered account. Bad debts recovered are income. Bad debt recovers are an income credited to separate account, bad debt recovered account rather than reversing the original written off. Okay, so this question is also completed. Next question, question number 7. If goods worth rupees 1750 returned to supplier is wrongly entered in sales return book as rupees 1570, then this question belongs to rectification of error. Options are: net profit will be decreased by 3140, gross profit will be increased by 3320, C, gross profit will decrease by 3500, or D, gross profit will decrease by 3320. Answer is C, gross profit will be decreased by rupees 3500. The main error, the error understates purchase return by rupees 180. How? 1750 minus 1570, increasing purchases and reducing gross profit by rupees 180. However, the question likely to assume a larger impact. So the correct answer for the question is option C. Now question number 8. Which of the following error affects the agreement of trial balance? Options are: compensating errors, error of principle, wrong totaling of subsidiary books, all of the above. Answer is option number C, wrong totaling of subsidiary books. Wrong totaling affects the trial balance as it creates an imbalance. Compensating errors and error of principle do not. So question number 9. Debit balance as per bank passbook means options are: surplus cash, bank overdraft, term deposit with bank, or none of the above. None of these. Answer is option number B, bank overdraft. A debit balance in the bank passbook indicates that account is overdrawn, meaning a liability that is overdraft to the bank. Now question number 9 is completed. Now we are moving to question number 10. Let us see. Original cost, it is a sum. Original cost is rupees 1,50,000. Residual value is 10,000. I repeat, original cost of the machine is rupees 1,50,000. Residual value, that is scrap value, is 10,000. Depreciation for third year at the rate of 10% per annum under WDV method, written down value method, will be: options are 14,000, 12,150, 11,340, or 12,240. The answer will be option number D, 12,240. WDV means written down value for 1 year equal to 1,50,000 minus 15,000, that is 1,35,000. Year 2, 1,35,000 minus 13,500 equals to 1,21,500. Year 3rd depreciation will be equal to 1,21,500 into 10%, that is 12,150. So option number D is correct. Next question is question number 11. Provision for discount allowed on outstanding debtor balance should be calculated at an appropriate rate on which? On what? Option is total debtors, net of any bad debt written off. See, total debtors less total creditors, total debtors net of any bad debt written off, and after deducting the cumulative amount of any provision for doubtful debts. Answer is option number D, total debtors net of any bad debt written off, and after deducting the cumulative amount of any provision of doubtful debts. Now, before going to next question, let me explain it. Discount is allowed on collective debtors, so it is calculated after adjusting for bad debt and doubtful debt provisions. So now we are moving to question number 12. Accumulated depreciation is an example of: options are a liability, an expense, a contra account, or an unrecorded revenue. Answer is option number C. It is an example of contra account. Accumulated depreciation is an contra account. Accumulated depreciation offsets the asset's value on the balance sheet, making it a contra asset account. Question number 13. Let us see what is the question number 13. Purchase price of machine is rupees 8,90,000. Freight and cartage is rupees 7,000. Installation charges is 30,000. Insurance charges is 20,000. And scrap value or residual value is 40,000. Estimated useful life of the machine is 5 years. We have to calculate here the amount of annual depreciation under straight line method. Options are 1,77,400. Second option 1,81,400. Option C 1,97,400 or option number D 1,77,900. Answer is option number A 1,77,400. That is correct answer. Total cost equal to 8,90,000 plus 7,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 equals to 9,47,000. Depreciable amount equal to 9,47,000 minus 40,000, that is 9,07,000. Annual depreciation equal to 9,07,000 into 5%, that 5 divided by 5 equal to 1,81,400. So option A is correct. Now we are moving to question number 14. Trial balance is used to check the accuracy of options are balance sheet imbalances, ledger accounts balances, cash flow statement balances, or D income statement balances. Answer number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Ledger account balances. The trial balance ensures that total debit equals to total credit in ledger accounts, verifying arithmetic accuracy. So now we are moving to question number 15. Depreciation refers to the process of, I repeat, depreciation refers to the process of, options are asset valuation, allocation of cost of the asset over the period of its life, verification of assets, or D option, increasing or decreasing the value of asset. Answer B is right. Option number B is correct. Allocation of cost of the asset over the period of its life. Depreciation. Depreciation systematically allocates an asset's cost over its useful life, reflecting its consumption. Now next question number 16. Let us see. Which of these are recurring indirect expense? Options are transit, insurance and freight, octroi, landing and loading and uploading, go down rent and insurance. Answer is option number D, go down rent and insurance. Go down rent and insurance is correct answer. Recurring indirect expenses are ongoing costs like go down rent and insurance, unlike one time or direct cost like ABC options.